We out here in the garden, and this is just after a couple days. It's those cucumbers. Those cucumbers. Here they come. There they come. There they go. There go some more. They're on their way. See them flowers, see what they turn into. See what we got. Ooh. There go another one. All through here. There go another one. They on their way. Then we have over here, this is a lemon cucumber. I never had that, but I want to try it. See if we can find where it's at. Let's see what's going on in there. It's always exciting one day you just see flowers, don't really see nothing. Then out of nowhere, start popping up. Oh, there's some. It's a lemon. It's even growing different than the regular. But all we do is wait. It's that beauty. This is the beauty of the Creator in the garden. Where he just shows you patience. He shows you that everything is on his timing. I don't care what's going on out here. It's all on his timing. When he say he ready. You know what's going on down here? It's just amazing to watch. It's amazing to see. Can't really see anything too much. I've never done this, so I don't even know what to look for, but that's some cucumbers. It's a cucumber patch. Then we got that dill. Got that dill in there. That's for them dill pickles. When I tell you that dill is strong, check the peas out. Look at the beans. Look at them going up the trellis. That's what I put that trellis there. Then we got the peas over here. They're on their way. They coming. Everything on their way. Kind of picked some of these yesterday, so we got some of these off. There goes some. See that? Look at that. I think to be full in a minute. What else we got? Tomatoes. Starting out. There's the flowers. Some started down here. Still is flowers. You know, July, once that weather start heating up, everything start popping. Right here we got basil. 3 types of basil. Don't get me trying to name them. This basil. Check it. Basil. Basil. Yellow pear. These yellow pear tomatoes. They coming. They turn to yellow, like yellow. Yellow pears, what they look like. They're coming up. I'm about to climb the trellis. Look at the onions. See the onions? They in there. Got a little weed. Ain't no big deal. Just pull that weed up. Onions. Here, check these leaves out. This spaghetti squash zucchini. I think this is zucchini. You see that zucchini down there? The difficult thing with zucchini, we get them little moths
that lay eggs inside these stalks. They get to chewing away at it, so hopefully we can keep them out this year. But that's that zucchini. That zucchini on the way. In a minute, it's gonna go crazy. Look at those leaves on that zucchini. Check the corn out. Corn going crazy. Starter corn. See what else we got real quick. Let's go to berries row. Look at these berries. Got these berries behind the nets. Look at that. Those ready right there. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna try it just yet. Matter of fact, let me try that berry. It's out the garden, y'all. Look at that. Straight out the garden. Straight out the garden. Let me see. Boy, oh boy. More tomatoes. And these right here, these are your cherry tomatoes. More cherry tomatoes. This thing's about to get crazy. So one thing about the cherry tomatoes and the rest of the tomatoes I have, they're called indeterminate. Well, they don't have a determinate growth height. They keep on growing. That's why I have them on this trellis. So as they grow up, I'm just gonna let them cascade. Let them cascade on around. Then I have another tomato. These are your better boy. These are like the fried green tomatoes. That's what I want these for. The green, kind of make some fried green tomatoes. That's those. Then I got some beans. I got pinto lima beans coming. It's amazing. Everything is coming up nice. Collard greens off the chain. Been picking on these, been eating these already, and they steady growing. I see I got some little insect chewing up my leaves. We don't like that. Let me see. See, look at that. This is the problem. See these things? These are things that get to the leaves. So what we're gonna do, spot that. We can get that on up out of there. Can't do nothing with that. It's called them snails. They'll tear some leaves up. See that? That thing. Snails. Look at that. There go another one. Every now you gotta come out here. You gotta inspect behind these leaves for snails, all kind of little critters. So what I did over in this bed, which I don't see any of those slugs and snails in here, because after I cut my grass, I put these grass clippings down, and these grass clippings kind of keep them from crawling all through there. Look at that cabbage. Look at that cabbage forming. Sometimes them snails get all through here and just eat it all up. So it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Look at the Brussels sprouts. So I'm learning how to do these. I had some trouble last year. Been watching some videos where I try to stay away from them. But I really want to get my Brussels sprouts going. That's the Brussels sprouts. Those are large stalks. nice round balls. They almost put you in the mind of these, but those little small knots go up that little stalk. They can get almost like 2-3 feet full of them. Oh man, check out this. It's about time to harvest this. Check this out. Check out that broccoli here. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, man. Y'all thought y'all was at Kroger's. Look at that. It's a broccoli head. Look at the size of that. That's my hand. Look at that. Man, listen. When I tell you, look at the broccolini. Broccolini is totally different from the broccoli. Check those out. That's how the broccolini grow. We done harvest off of this a couple times. Look at the broccolini. When I tell you delicious, man, listen. Check this mint. Check the mint out. This mint going crazy. Anybody want some mint? Got tons of it. Let me show you the scale of that mint. That's how much that mint grew. That mint out of control. I should have chopped that back. With that mint, you put that in your water. Put that in your water, shake it up. You can even grab the leaves right off the plant, just chew it, get that minty taste. You can take it, you can boil it in some more water, make you some tea. You can dry the leaves out, make you some more tea. It's just so much you can do. This DLAMB'S garden, boys. It seems like after the rain, everything just goes crazy. Definitely excited for what's coming. Definitely excited for this. Look at the cucumbers. Took this whole batch up. Then I got some of these yellow tomatoes. They coming. Looked like it was doing kind of bad, but looked like it's coming back. We don't give up on it. It's never over till it's over. Got some more corn. A couple little birds coming plucked up. I had these in rolls. They don't pluck these up, but they doing all right. Got my peppers. Look at those peppers. Some more peppers. Peppers. There go sun popping, shining through. Look at that. It's a beautiful thing. Here goes the other one over there was spaghetti squash. No, zucchini. This is the spaghetti squash. I don't see anything coming up out of here. I don't really see no flowers, so I don't know if that's quite ready yet. But I promise after this rain, it'll be back. Check out my watermelon. My watermelon vining. I think I'm gonna have to position this watermelon to kind of take his vines down through that corn, through that bed. Cause these go wild. Sometimes you can see once these flowers come, you start seeing a little watermelon pop up, but I don't quite see any flowers on this one. Some more watermelon. Got my yellow flesh watermelon. Inside's yellow. Leaves looking pretty good. Starting to go. Got my orange flesh watermelon. That's looking good. Don't see any leaves. Don't see any flowers on it quite yet. But I see they starting to vine out. They starting to crawl. Got some more. This is the regular watermelon. So I'm glad this one's still how it is. I can kind of position it to grow. And I got some more corn. You can tell I love me some corn. I like corn. I fell in love with corn. My grandma used to make the fried corn. I almost like corn any kind of way. So, you know, regardless, I'm grow me some corn. That's DLAMB'S garden. Look at these onions. These onions out of control. Once they grow up this much after they don't use them,
they go to flower, and the flowers go to seed. It's amazing. And if you can feel these stalks, look how sturdy these things are. I'm trying to bend it, like I'm bending it. That's how sturdy that is. Them onions. Got white onions, I got red onions in this pile. It's going down. Yo, DLAMB'S garden. Stay tuned. Oh, one more thing, let me show you. I'm nervous, man. It's my first time doing peaches. This is a peach tree. And I really don't know what I'm doing, but I always wanted peaches. But this is what they look like. I don't know how old this tree is, but when I bought it, this thing started producing. Look at these. Look at these. Look at them. They all over this. Every branch. They went down. Look at that. Look at that. Peaches. Look at those. Come on, man. Try to grow something. Sometimes we pay so much attention to this noise that's out here in this world. God out here steady showing you I'm God. Keep worrying about all this noise out here. Turn that noise off. Get out your head, live your life. See how good God is, the one that's taking care of you every day. He did all this for us, man. And the evil one, the deceiver, got us all out here discombobulated, man. We God's kids, man. We gonna learn. We gonna find out. Because once he gets rid of that evil, man, his kingdom come. His will be done in earth as it is in heaven. Yo, peace. DLAMB'S garden.